Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timmy Kemza James. So for our new and old subscribers, you're all welcome. I love you. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a summer crop backless top. So I just have this piece of fabric that is measured 25 inches by 16 inches actually. Then I went ahead to cut two strips of fabric. Then I also went ahead to hem all four parts of the rectangle, starting from the shorter part. Then the upper part, as you can see, I hemmed it a little bit wider because I'm going to be passing a loop over there so that I can tie my top at the back of my neck. So I also went further to mark from the hem of my top. I marked 2 inches upward from the hem, as you can see. So that's where I'm going to be adding my elastic to create some form of a gathering there. Then I went ahead to cut my elastic, which is about 17 inches long. You can decide your own size. Then I just placed it on my line that's on the wrong side of my fabric, and then I'm going to sew. I'll back stitch from the beginning before I continue sewing. So as I'm sewing, I'm going to be sort of dragging the elastic to create those put together or gathered kind of look. So I'm just going ahead to sew that elastic and ensuring that everything is nice and smooth. Please, as you're sewing, make sure it's straight so that your hands don't go back and forth on that point. So I'm kind of dragging it to create those points, and also to help the machine to move, since I'm not using any gathering foot or any sort of a special foot. So that's what I'm just going ahead to do now. So as you can see, it's gathering quite nicely, and you'd actually want to sort of spread your fabric when you're doing this, so that you avoid sewing parts where you should not sew, and to also help you sew at the middle of the elastic band. So you can see I'm done. At the end of that, I'm going to just position it well and back stitch like 2 or 3 times to ensure that it's nice and strong. So you can see this is what it now looks like. It has made those creases, those gathered fabric. It has gathered quite nicely. So as you can see the results. So I also prepared my rope, and I just sewed thread and needle on it a little bit, and I'm going to pass the thread and needle into the loop that I created on the upper side. That's the next side of the blouse. So I'm passing it from the blunt side of the needle, and that will be it about the dress. I also made ropes and attached the rope to where my elastic was, so I can tie it to my back. So this is it about the blouse, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I have a new video up on the channel. And please do ensure to tag me on all your recreations. I would love to see that. So you can see this is our top. It's nice and beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.